Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin charts. So Bitcoin on the 4 hour. So yes, yesterday we have very nicely managed to hold this old resistance, this new support. You can see we did backtest basically, well, pretty much to the dollar into it. So we are looking at a forward check, a back check, and are we looking at this paycheck move up to about 58,000? Let's just extend this along here as well. Oh, wrong one. We've got the middle of the range also, obviously, as we can see. We know the middle of the ranges are often important, as well as basically just targets for rejections and support. So we are closing in on that mid range. We are moving up nicely. If we get above this level, which is basically 55,000, isn't it? Pretty much not far away from it now. Then yeah, I think there isn't much option other than the market to try and come and test this resistance. So what happens at the resistance, who knows? Do we just put in a higher low there, potentially come down? Do we even start to paint a sorts of inverted head and shoulders? Maybe. Let's just think of all the bullish scenarios we can. But yeah, we will be looking obviously better for this being the low, this medium term bearish price action been over with, and we can continue onwards and upwards if that is the case. But yeah, still lots of work to do. We did manage to break above here, which was great. We have managed to hold above here, which is great. Next task is to come and test up here. If we do that, that will be great. And then the task after that will be to hold up there and then break through. And then I think we will be in full bull mode again. But again, we've got lots of steps left in our plan to get up there. So, but generally speaking, this is looking better anyway. Still by no means at all in any way, shape or form out of the woods yet. Still clearly in a downtrend. We've got lower lows and we've not made any higher. We've got lower lows and lower highs at present, not made any higher highs. So we're still in a downtrend. Still a lot of risk involved. Obviously, Elon Musk sold a load of his Bitcoin, claiming 10%, claiming to test liquidity of the market. But I've seen numbers saying it's actually more like 50% he's sold. But let's face it, that guy and his company is a sham anyway. And basically they only make profits previously off carbon credits. They don't make any money selling or making cars. The guy is a clown basically. And obviously he saw these Bitcoin profits and a chance to actually actually do some sham, it's not sham accounting to make some earnings, because clearly he bought Bitcoin and it's in profit and he sold it in profit. But that was just that's what's known as a Hail Mary trade, a gamble. But the guy, yeah, I mean the guy is just a clown. I mean, fair enough, be a degenerate clown, attention seeking gambler. But it's not really something you should do as a CEO of a company. Basically, that's all I'm really saying. But yeah, like I've said, he hit a Hail Mary trade. I haven't seen like the full Tesla's earnings, but I'm guessing that helped him maybe not be at the massive loss that they technically are at. Basically. Shenanigans aside, but anyway, that's my Elon Musk rant over. But yeah, maybe that was this, maybe it was. If it was, then fair enough. And then if he's done and dusted, he might want to let price recover before he potentially does it again. Or maybe he doesn't want to do it again now that he's had his earnings this year, so he can just let it ride now that he's fudged his books for this year. But anyway, so yeah, Bitcoin is looking relatively good here. Let's look at our Ethereum Bitcoin pairing. Very still not obviously not, this bull flag didn't play out. We kind of just trade sideways. I believe I did say that this kind of what I was expecting us to drift out of it and trade sideways and consolidate. basically just the same as we've done here and the same as we've done here. I didn't just expect us to bull flag our way up. We just drew it in because at the time it was looking so picture flag perfect, but I did make clear that this was actually what I was expecting. But at some point though, if we can consolidate here and then push on to the next levels, then that would be absolutely fantastic. But yeah, I mean, this is clearly bullish. Nothing bearish about this. Clearly bullish. Excellent chart. I'd say this is one of the better charts in crypto at the moment. USD pairing also looking good, as you can see, getting back above this high. Very nice. I mean, like I said, if Bitcoin does get up to 57, 58k this week, then Ethereum is going to be at $3,000, I believe. So yeah, we shall see. BTC.D on the drop again. It would be nice. Yeah, I guess no, we didn't. Yeah, it would be nice to see a sub 50% handle. That's obviously it's just, I don't know, it's not necessarily psychologically, it's like a flipping thing, isn't it, of Bitcoin being most of the crypto market to Bitcoin not being most of the crypto market. So make of that what you will, but either way we want number go down. So yep, there we go. Stock's looking good, clearly going to help us out here. DXY, I mean, DXY back testing this level, still clearly in a bearish trend. It could have a pullback up higher if we do break this horizontal, get back into the zone. We could then maybe get a break back above here and come and test somewhere in this area for another potential rejection and then come back down. Remember, nothing comes down in a straight line, and this is relatively speaking being a straight line. So yeah, just bear that in mind. Our super trend took the long signal there and still moving up here after taking the sell signal, so that's looking good. There was something else I wanted to look at. Can't think of what it was now. Oh yeah, that was it. I just wanted to show you guys. I put it in the chat, but yeah, absolute beautiful textbook TD sequential daily 9, basically at the pretty much support zone. I mean, it does look like a lot of shorts got trapped here, but if you're shorting into a daily TD9 at basically a support level, then you are asking for this basically. You can see the last daily TD9 played out nicely. This one sold off a bit before, but did give us a sideways to down. Daily TD9s are looking okay for efficacious signals in Bitcoin. You can see one here as well. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that also. We'll have a quick look at the higher time frame ones, see if we've got any TD sequentials that we should be potentially be looking out for. Nope. So yeah, back to the stochastics, and we will this video will be done pretty quickly. Yeah, 4 hour looking very toppy here. So like I said, that 55k level could basically offer us a bit of resistance based on the 4 hour, but I suspect 10, 12 and daily are looking better. Yeah, 10 hour looking very strong, plenty of room to run. 12 hour looking good as well, moving upwards, plenty of room to run, and daily turned upwards as well. These guys are still pointing down, clearly, as we've fallen from mid 60k's. But yeah, 12 hour daily turning back up. Things are starting to look good. These stochastics are starting to look like we've got a shot of going medium term bullish again and having a good chance of basically breaking above 58.5k, and yeah, just looking really good again after this squeaky bum time. And as I have kind of said, if you look at this as an ascending wedge, yeah, we broke down, we had the pullback, and if you then look at this low relative to this low, it is printing a higher low. Clearly not compared to these as part of the formation we're in, but we're now out of that formation, broken it, confirmed that. Out of that formation anyway, and now looking to move on and make new formations. So yeah, there we go, guys. Yeah, quick video today. I'm at the Tattooist today for a full day, so 8+ hours of of pain. So yeah, that shall be fun. But yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always DYOR, and I shall speak to you guys later.